How you doing?
Hey, what's up everybody? This is just going to be a short video of the Sydney West Riders weekly ride. We had about 50 bikes there or so, give or take. Riding in a big group like this is not something I normally do. Figured gives me a chance to try out my new GoPro in the dark, see how that came out, and film something a little bit different. The ride was a couple hours long, but as you can tell I edited out the majority of it. Not worth sitting there watching, really. The quality of the video actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would in the dark. What I did was turn the ISO max up to 3200, which then allowed me to put the low light setting on the GoPro. And this is the result here. Looks half decent, not too bad. For this ride I had a windsock on the camera itself to try to cut out the wind noise. It helped a little bit. As you can still hear, it's quite windy sounding. I'm not sure how to fully get rid of that unless I turn to an external mic, which I guess is a possibility. I had the camera facing down too far, so the whole video, as you saw, was just not the right angle. I didn't use the super wide view that I normally use. It's just wide, so it didn't get higher and lower as I would have liked it to. And that does it for this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, as I do have new content coming out regularly. This has been Jersey Joe. Ciao for now.